Welcome back. My name is Dr. Carl Baird, and today I'll be demonstrating the very best stretch for your piriformis muscle to treat sciatic pain. So before getting started, it is important to understand that not all sciatic pain is caused by a tight piriformis. In fact, probably most sciatic pain is caused by issues in your discs, in your lower spine, in which case you are going to need some exercises for that lumbar disc. But if that sciatic pain is being caused by a tight piriformis, or what's called piriformis syndrome, this is going to be the best exercise to stretch that piriformis muscle, to take pressure off the sciatic nerve and relieve pain. So to perform, it's relatively simple. We're going to lay on our back. If I'm stretching my left piriformis, I'm going to take my left foot and put it over my right knee here. Then what I'm going to do is think of rotating my trunk so I'm bringing my left foot flat on the ground, keeping my left shoulder down if I can, so you'll get kind of a nice little gentle stretch in the low back here. And once you have your foot flat on the ground, you're going to take your right hand, put it on top of your left knee, and then simply pull that knee towards the ground. And as you do that, you should feel a nice targeted stretch in your piriformis glute area right in here. And that is it. Now what can happen with this one is sometimes you can get a little pinchy pain in your hip. If that's the case, just drop your hips down so there's not as much kind of hip flexion here. And then you can do the same exercise as well, and that should take off some of the pinch in your hip. But that's it. That is the best way to stretch your piriformis muscle. My name again is Dr. Carl Baird. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, it's Dr. Baird here. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page to catch all our videos designed to help you build the strength and confidence to live active, healthy, and happy lives. You won't find it anywhere else.